What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bird Collins and I'm back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Please make sure you hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. Alright man, so you guys know the vibes, man. I got another pair of shoes to unbox. Same thing, man. These Nike restocks, man. I've been hitting on a lot lately. So I'm gonna snatch them up while all these shoes are like retail. Snatching them up. Honestly, I haven't seen this shoe in hand yet. The Jordan 1 box. I have not seen this shoe in hand. Tag reads Jordan 1. What does it say? OG? Retro High OG Gold and Light Bordeaux. So you guys should know. I don't know why everybody was trashing these shoes, bro. Ooh. That smell. Strong, bro. Like, damn. Okay. Bro, I don't get it. I don't get it. Why was everybody trashing these? Bro, the quality of these are dope. Is it just me? Bro, look at this leather. And low key, I thought this was suede, but no, it's not suede. It's just really soft leather. I don't know what the retail price on this. I know it's not high, and that's a trip because this is a really quality shoe. I don't know why these missed the mark for a lot of people. You got that dope color blocking with the gold on the toe. And the light Bordeaux wrapped, soft leather. Is this leather too? Bro, this shoe is so soft. Let me take the shoe tree out real quick. Comes with extra laces. Yeah, bro, I don't know, man. These, the leather on these is nice. Yeah, man. Let me grab the other one real quick. These are fire. Bro. I don't see nothing wrong with the quality. Classic Jordan 1, like, color blocking, you know what I mean? The color blocking is like your classic. It's like a bread toe, but just with a different color look. You know. I'm happy with the pickup, bro. Look at the inside. Get in the comments, man. Did you guys pick up anything on these restocks, man? I know this was like a week and a half ago. Might have been 2 weeks already. I don't know, man. So many shoes been dropping, and there's a lot of dope shoes coming up in May. So, I can't wait to see if I can get some more pickups, man. But get down in the comments, man. Let me know. Did you get a pair of these? Do you got a pair? Do you not care? Are you waiting for May to see what you can cop? These are dope, bro. I might have to do a lace swap, bro. I might have to throw these on feet, man. These are fire. Yeah, I think I'm gonna throw these on feet, you guys. Whew, in a long time. Take a whiff. Anyways, you guys, I'm about to put these on feet, man. How long is this video going, man? Yeah, about to put these on feet. You know what I'm talking about, man? Y'all make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, notification bell. It's your boy, Bert Collins. I appreciate everybody. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. It's your boy. Peace.